Welcome, ladies and gents, back to another video. This is Car Shorel of Car Shorel Studios, and this video I'm going to give you the full tour of Bahia Principe, the resort located in Santo Domingo, La Romana. So stick around for this video because I'm going to take you through the whole entire resort, from the pool to the beach to the room. You're going to get it all right in this video, so stick around and stay tuned. So we arrived to the resort roughly a little after 8 p.m. Yes, it was dark, but it was a pleasant surprise here at the room. Clean, feel comfortable, nice and cozy, and it does have all the amenities here in this room. So as you see, nice closet space if you want to hang up some clothes, the umbrella, just in case it rained, and it did rain quite a few times while we were here, so the umbrellas were helpful. You got the coffee maker here, and it also has a fridge right under there as well. And the fridge has beverages in there that are complimentary, so you can take those and partake in those without being worried about being charged for a room fee. Now over here is also a sofa bed, small sofa bed right there to your right. Here, what I'm showing you guys are the chocolates and also the welcome drink that they set inside our room. Again, this is a pleasant surprise here at the La Romana Bahia Principe. Now back was the patio. Of course, I couldn't get a view of that right that moment because it was dark, but in the next clip, you'll see that as well. All right, so last night we couldn't see out here, but yes, this is a small little patio. Let's get this thing open. Yeah, all right, be locked over here probably. Yep. Cool. Some people have balconies up at the top. We have these two rooms right here, and this room is for our mothers. Me and my wife's mothers flew them out here for their 60th and 75th birthday, so they're actually at breakfast right now, enjoying themselves. I'm here with the little one. She's still asleep. Already had my breakfast and toured around. Yeah, this is very, very nice. Very nice. Somebody even got a water floating turtle up there. Cool. All right, so we just walked by two of the smaller pools, and this looks like this may be the main pool. Wanted to get out here nice and early so I can get you guys some footage of just the scenery without a lot of people here. The time right now is 8:20. Let's see how the water feels. Kind of cool. Kind of cool. But again, it is bright and early in the morning. The sun just rose not too long ago. All right, so just to get you guys a nice good view of the pool size here. That's the poolside bar, mini bar. I heard some partying going on last night, but we got in late and I was too tired to even try to walk all the way down here to see what was going on. I needed some rest so I can recover. All right, and we are approaching the beach. This looks like an activity bar. Let's see over here. All right, so here's where the board games, got chess, they probably have checkers as well. Table tennis. This is where you get your towels. Foosball. Connect Four. Good morning, good morning. Buenos días.
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien. Oh look, so right here it tells you exactly what's going on throughout the day. So here we are Saturday, so 9 o'clock they got stretching. Might do some stretching.
Good morning.
Step lesson.
How are you? I thank you. You? Excellent. It's a beautiful day. Yes. Yeah.
Let's keep it moving.
You're welcome. Happy to day, please.
Hola.
Hola.
Okay. We got little I'm not gonna say gazebos. What would you call these? Where you can get like the private chairs. I can't think of the name right now, y'all. Somebody let me know. Yeah, cool. It's another bar. Let's see. Cocoa pineapple, $5. So that's an actual, I believe, pineapple. Looks like. So you can have the pineapple or coconut with the drink inside of it. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. This is a nice size too as well. Nice size. Wraps all the way around there. Now I believe over there is the adults only side. We got the kiddo with us, so this is where we are. So yes, here's the beachfront. So if you want some peace and quiet when you come here, get out around like 8 a.m. It's not super early, but it is early enough where there's not a lot of people here and you can get some time to yourself. I wonder if this is where people was partying last night. People might have been partying right here last night. This may have where I heard that. Oh look, it's a nice little island over there. Wow. Man, it just looks so beautiful and so peaceful out here. Love it. Now, I wonder if that's where people get married at, maybe? No? I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, they must have had a wedding out here last night. This is where the party was. Look, there's the heart. Somebody got just married. Oh. Water activities. Look, they got the banana boat. Always wanted to do one of these water activities. Not sure if we're gonna be able to do them this trip. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah. Here you go. Almost like a seashell, kind of. Oh wow, that's a fish right there. It's like a little sand fish. Oh look, there's another one. Almost like I can see it. That was cool. If you see these holes right here, I just seen a hermit crab. I wasn't able to get them. I tried to move closer and it went away. But these holes right here is where the hermit crabs are digging to come up. So there's tons of hermit crabs out here. Tons. Now I'm not sure about the wildlife. We just came back from Mexico a couple months ago, And we seen tons of wildlife out there in Alkmaar. So I'm not sure about the wildlife here in the DR. But yeah, tons of fish too. There's tons of these little fish out here in the morning. Tons of them. So that may be where the volleyball net go. Yep, volleyball net is over there, and then you got like a football right there. Football little area. You see more and more people starting to get up. It's about that time. That's all. That's off right quick. Alright, yeah, I walked this way already, so let's walk around here. No diving, so this isn't too deep. It's probably about that's how deep we got. Ooh, they got the hot tub over here. Nice size too. Cool bars. This pool is huge. Huge. Hola. Cabana, that's the name of it. Cabana, I couldn't think of it at all. Cabana. So, yeah. All right, ladies and gents, it is 8:41. I'm about to go grab me some food, then go back to the room, chill out, and figure out what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. So be sure that you are subscribed to this channel, give me a like, leave me a comment below, and just enjoy this journey. Not just this one, but many more to come. Many more to come. It's Rel Purnell, aka Cautious Rel, signing off, and as I always say, stay positive, stay motivated. Salute.